When two parent classes define the same method, Python must pick one. How does it decide? Python resolves this using an algorithm called C3 linearization. This algorithm computes a method resolution order, or MRO, for every class, specifying the exact sequence Python will search when looking up any attribute or method. Unlike a naive depth-first search, C3 accounts for the full inheritance graph and produces a consistent, predictable order that satisfies all inheritance constraints. C3 follows two fundamental rules. First, child classes always come before their parents, so a subclass override is always found first. Second, base classes are checked in left-to-right order as listed in the class definition. Take a classic diamond. Class D inherits from B and C, and both inherit from A. C3 produces D, then B, then C, then A, never visiting any class out of that order. You can inspect the MRO of any class using the done_MRO attribute, which returns a tuple, or by calling the MRO method, which returns a list. Both give you the full lookup chain in order, a critical guarantee. Each class appears exactly once. C3 ensures no duplicates and maintains consistent ordering no matter which subclass you start from. Python's method lookup order uses C3 linearization. Child first, left to right, no duplicates. Always use done_MRO to verify your class hierarchy. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.